At night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built.
Ruplin, kopi lang nagiklen. Lukat sila! Niki mo thilo te kiduga tuma phanrak tiji oi. Oi, tangka nampa nam thao kiduk hektik kalilo. Nangki pu mo thilo te nang kiduga tum phanrak oji pute. Lahai lam ke jite ne lam na tho. Ha surat ke bihek lam pa. No ke desi kiduk jiman ro. Desi kiduk jiman ro. Wake up, 5 to 5:30 brush teeth, 5:30 to 6 dog chupo, 6 to 7 study. Dinner, 8:30 go to bed. Name, Ruplin Rompipi. Subject, work experience. Class 1, Section A, roll number 15. Yay! 100, 99, 98, 97. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. My name is Ruplin Rompipi. My father's name is, my mother's name is. Pai, lu silang tangan lo. Syllabus complete.
Ruplin, can you draw your family?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you draw mountains?
Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement.
Can you draw flowers?
Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading.
Let's finish.
Ruplin, what is your aim in life?
Ma'am, my aim in life is to become a scientist. Ma'am, my aim in life is to become a doctor. Ma'am, my aim in life is to become an engineer. Ma'am, my aim in life is to become a pilot.
Ruplin, laki classroom ladang lang kiri. Nang aim in life pila. Ma'am, the life long jaga plan itu pe. The aim in life ke pila. Ke plan hai mapin so inut bab churi po. Penando po.
Lani su piak leng Ruplin na YouTube channel la subscribe pi de tha de. La dak pensi ni tahan ka chunam ka chunum phan ke chong tip dun bom tiglo.